Oh, Jesus. Ahoy, me mateys! My name's Nuke Scorpion, and welcome to Cooking Mama. Mama kills animals. This was made by the lovely, quote-unquote, people at PeTA. And we all know how annoying PeTA can get.
You're responsible for the enslavement and genocide of millions!
So they made this game in an attempt to stop people from cooking turkeys for Thanksgiving and stuff. It's supposed to be super gory, it's supposed to be super gross, it's gonna be a good time, so let's cook. Okay, let's prepare the turkey. Pluck the turkey. Click on the feathers with your mouse to pluck them from the dead turkey. Okay, am I doing it right? Something tells me I'm not doing this right. Okay. Okay, good enough. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Damn it! Whatever. Good enough. Hold on. Let me try that one more time. Ah, whatever. Good enough. I got most of them. Meaner than mama! That's exactly what I wanted! Remove the internal organs. Using your mouse, yada yada yada. Okay. Oh, God! Get that out of there. Come on. Get that. Come on. One more! Come on! Damn it! Ah! No! I'm too nice! I need to be evil, damn it! Come on. I almost had it. 2, 3. Come on. 4. One more. One more. Got it! Yes! Meaner than mama! Hell yeah! I am a murderer! Complete! Yay! What mama never told you, in the US almost all birds have their throats slit while they're still conscious. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, millions are scalded to death in tanks of hot water. Some tells me that that's not true. That seems like overkill. I mean, we are living in the nation that just keeps cows in barns for their whole life. But that just seems like overkill. I don't want to watch no dang video, I just want to kill turkeys and make dinner. Crack the eggs. Oh, God. You can see the blood and everything. Come on. Crack, damn it! There we go. Almost got it. Woo! I am evil. What? Damn it! No, I must be meaner than mama. Oh, this is a workout. Come on. One more. Crack, you stupid egg! Crack! Please tell me I counted. Damn it! Yes, there we go. Hell yeah, meaner than mama. Mix the ingredients. Okay, let's do this. What the hell? What? Whoa! What? Yeah, damn right that was too nice. What the hell was that? What the hell? Oh, there, okay, well, I got it anyway. Stuff the bird. Make you fat. Make it nice and juicy. Did I do it? Damn it! Woo! Yes! Meaner than mama! Remove the head! Oh, God. Come on. Come on, get off! Wait, what? Did I do it? Hell yeah, I did it! Cook the turkey. Did I do it? Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Come on! Oh, come on! Yes! Finally! Oh, that looks delicious. Butterball House of Horrors. What the hell? I don't care about any of that crap. I want to make some gravy. Chop the neck. Come on. Come on. Damn it! No, it's not good enough. Oh, okay, never mind. It is good enough. Say you did the body parts. Come on. Come on. Damn it. Why is it not working? Ah, well, good. I still got meaner than mama. Strain the gravy. Oh, God. I need to pick out all the crap. Yes! Complete. Oh, that looks delicious. Meaner than mama times 7, baby! I'm the ultimate animal killer! Oh, God, we're going vegan. Mash the tofu. What is that? It looks like molded butter. I don't know what the hell that was, but I don't think I want to eat that. Shake the tofu turkey? Okay. Can I do it, please? Yay, I did it apparently. Baste the tofu turkey. Oh, God. Well, I screwed up. Oh, I did it anyway. Oh, nope. That's basically too nice. I need to be meaner than mama. Did I do it now? Yeah, there we go. Cook your tofu tukaloku toki. Did that do it? Yeah, first try. Okay, that actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. But I don't care how delicious that looks. I'm not eating tofu, it's gross. Turkeys have unique personalities, just like dogs and cats. Some are social, some are loners. These are lies! They're stupid animals! They're so happy together because of you. Mama loves animals. Now that you've seen just how gross it is to kill an innocent turkey. Come on, we don't have all day. Take the pledge to be veg. Hell no! I will eat turkeys for days if you dare try to make me pledge to the veg. Well, okay. That was Cooking Mama Kills Animals. A weird and stupid game, but then again, it's made by weird and stupid people. If you're vegan or vegetarian or whatever, that's cool, alright? Everyone's allowed to be who they want to be. But if you try to force people to be vegetarian and whatnot by just showing them like gross image like this, just no. Alright? If people want to eat meat, let them eat meat for God's sake. Alright? You know, the animals are already on Earth, might as well cook them and eat them. But yeah, after playing this game, I'm still gonna go out and probably eat a burger. I'm still gonna eat pork, I'm still gonna eat bacon. So congratulations, PeTA, you had no effect on me. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to hit subscribe to join me Pirate Crew, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Good night, everybody!